What's up, guys? It's FG, February 5th, and this is a Bitcoin and altcoin VWAP analysis and education video. So smash the likes and let's get into it here. So Bitcoin is now struggling under two monthly VWAPs here. The white monthly VWAP and the previous monthly VWAP underneath both of them. We're also in a steep 5-day SMA downtrend, that black area back there. And we're underneath the inauguration VWAP from Trump's inauguration, signaling a kind of sell the newsy kind of vibe here. So this is quite bearish, especially as you see the money flow pouring out on these middle time frames. Daily time frame about to get a money flow crossover. RSI's aiming down. Weekly not looking good, lost the 60 line. And the monthly is a red dot, a historic red dot, where if you go into Bitcoin's past here, this is the lifetime of Bitcoin. The second red dot above the 60 line on this oscillator has a 100% strike chance of calling a top. Maybe not a cycle top, but a top in the Bitcoin market here. So this is the signals that Bitcoin's dealing with as it plunges beneath its two monthly VWAPs in this major downtrend. So when you cut away all the fluff here, what happened here is like a new monthly VWAP began. There was only a small gap between that VWAP and the previous month there, but that was an illusion. There was a larger volatile move to the downside happening. And this makes you think that this was it. Like that does look like a pretty gnarly dump. But all we've seen so far is that we've come up and confirmed the inauguration VWAP as resistance, and now we reconfirmed the year-to-date as resistance. And now it does seem like the current monthly VWAP might be forming as resistance here. And this is like a domino effect to the downside, a cascading effect. So to go bullish, especially from like a short-term trading perspective, guys, we need to scoop this 5-day trend in the background here into an uptrend. We got to reclaim 2 months of VWAPs here. And so if Bitcoin can get over 100K, we get a lot more hopeful. But right now we're in the gulag, and this actually could be like a breakout to the downside here. Definitely in the cards. So in terms of how low Bitcoin could go, there is a previous quarterly VWAP somewhere around 87K. If I place that manually real quick here on October 1st of 2024, you can see that this is a potential stink bid territory, like 87K, or maybe we wick down lower to a strong psychological level such as like 80K, but then we quickly get bought up back to this previous quarter's VWAP here. This is like a very strong bouncy kind of volume weighted level down there, at least for the medium term. So that's kind of what I'm expecting on Bitcoin, guys. This very well could happen. I'm kind of bearish until further notice. As for the altcoins, Solana, Ethereum, and XRP, they all seem to be in the same boat, guys. So Solana may actually want a year-to-date test. If Bitcoin does what we think it might, then Solana might have to come down to like 160. That would be a good level to get down to. Ethereum is unfortunately underneath all of its VWAP, so there isn't like anything down here. So this is a very bearish place to be, just kind of in the gulag there underneath all of its VWAPs. And XRP, if you had a full yearly leapfrog, like a dump down to its previous year's year to date, that puts XRP at $120. So maybe that happens if this low gets taken here, or maybe it holds on that Q4 VWAP. I'm not really sure. But like I like to stick more to Bitcoin in terms of trading because it's a little more predictable around the VWAPs. But these are just some levels to look at on XRP here. So that's pretty much it for my spiel, guys. Market Cipher, the oscillators that I use in the background that are helping me to like be bearish right now. These are 30% off with code businessman. And if this video gets 100 likes on Twitter or YouTube, I will do a video on how I passed my breakout challenge and was able to withdraw $4,000 here in just 15 days. You guys have a good one.